Hi, today we have this box that came from Dooney Bourke. If you are familiar with their products or if you have bought from them before, you're probably familiar with this red tape on the box. So for today's unboxing is something I bought from their eBay site. If you're not familiar with them, they have an outlet site called ilovedooney.com, and then they also have an eBay account. And oftentimes you can get the best deal on their eBay site because they do some flash sales, and some people call them like a glitch sales. So that's kind of how I end up getting this bag. So the bag I got is from their, I think it's their Toscana Canvas series. Let's take it out. So as you can see, yes, it does say this is their Toscana Canvas Delancey Tote. They also have a Toscana Executive Collection that instead of canvas, the bag is all leather. I love that collection, and I actually have the same bag in full leather. I realized that I haven't discussed much of Dooney Bourke on my channel. So if you are interested in their bags and if you'd like me to talk more about their bags, please let me know in the comment, and I'll make more video about Dooney Bourke. Yeah, they pack their bag really well. So the price for this bag, normally they sell for around $480, around $500 on their regular listing. Even when they do sales on their outlet site, I Love Dooney, it would still be around $360 more or less. And the reason I got it because I learned about their flash sale on Facebook group, and this bag only costs $140. I have been following their sales, and I know this bag, the lowest I could get was over $200, close to $300. So it was an amazing deal, and I have been wanting to try their canvas version. So I have the exact bag in leather version, but the leather is so beautiful and perfect. As you can see the color, I'm actually afraid to use mine because I don't want to get scratches on my end. I probably would spray with Apple Guard or some protective spray before I use them. So I thought I would get the canvas one and try it to see if the leather gets scratched easily. I believe this bag on their website, I think they put it under men's collection. It's a really good size tote, and as you can see, it has feet and top handle that can be flipped down, and then have this magnet closure. It should come with a strap. Let's find the strap. I like that they stuff the bag really well so that it's not get squashed and they still keep the shape really well. Yes, see the bag came with this really nice some kind of cotton blend strap that you can carry it as crossbody on the side. Look like it has a compartment for iPad. I'm not sure it's big enough. It should be enough for a small laptop, I believe. And then got a zipper pocket. And then on the other side has a couple of slip pocket. I'm not sure which side is the front or the back, to be honest. This side has their logo patch, and then this side has a slip pocket. It's perfect for your phone here. So not sure if you can see. The leather is really, really beautiful. I think Dooney Bourke has one of the best leather. This kind of like a luggage tag thing is really pretty. Yeah, I love their leather, and I particularly love this Toscana collection. They also have a east-west size, and I'm interested to try that too if the bag ever get on sales at some point. So if you are interested to know how I find deals and on these bags, also let me know and I can talk about that too. So this is a quick unboxing on this Dooney Bourke Toscana Canvas Delancey Tote, and I hope you enjoy it, and if you want, I'll talk about this more, review this bag later on. Thanks for watching.